Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make a CV video or a self-introduction video. So let's get started. In this video, I will give you the best example how to do a self-introduction and tips for creating an excellent CV introduction video. Hi, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to make this self-introduction video for YouTube. My name is Harsha Serwani. I completed my BBA from LG Institute of Business Administration. I am from Ahmedabad. I started my career in startup-based environment at Management Consultancy, after which I joined top leading MNC as a talent acquisition specialist in Tata Projects Limited, Hyderabad. I have all over 2.5 years of experience handling IT and non-IT clients for international and domestic level, and I am specialized in handling tough position for IT and non-IT clients. Coming to my YouTube channel, I share knowledge and content related to career development as well as recruiter to make their life more easy by some cool tips, tricks and techniques. And apart from this, I also love cooking unique dishes and singing. Thank you. Second, tips for creating an excellent introduction video. First tip, speak clear, not too fast. Second tip, dress to impress. Third tip, record in a quiet place. I hope you find this video useful for your interviews. Keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for your career growth. Till then, thank you for watching. See you next time.